Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, the perfect solution. Extra large auto deodorizing cat litter box with advanced sterilization product review. As a devoted cat owner, maintaining a clean and odor-free litter box is paramount for both feline happiness and the harmony of your home. In the quest for the ideal solution, the extra-large auto-deodorizing cat litter box with advanced sterilization has emerged as a game-changer, promising a hassle-free and sanitary experience for both cats and their owners. The first noteworthy feature of this litter box is its impressive size. The extra-large dimensions not only accommodate multi-cat households but also provide ample space for larger breeds, ensuring comfort and reducing the need for frequent cleanings. The spacious design contributes to a more hygienic environment, preventing the accumulation of waste and minimizing the chances of tracking. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors with the built-in auto-deodorizing technology. This innovative feature utilizes advanced sensors to detect when your cat has used the litter box and activates a deodorizing mechanism. The result is a consistently fresh-smelling environment that enhances the overall living experience for both pets and their owners. No more worrying about lingering odors or the need for constant manual intervention. What sets this litter box apart is its cutting-edge sterilization technology. Equipped with UVC light, the device sterilizes the litter and surrounding surfaces, effectively eliminating harmful bacteria and germs. This not only promotes a healthier environment for your cat but also ensures a safer space for the entire household. The sterilization process is automatic and complements regular cleaning routines, providing an extra layer of protection against potential health hazards. The user-friendly design of this litter box makes it accessible and convenient for cat owners. The sleek and modern aesthetic seamlessly integrates with home decor, while the easy-to-use controls simplify the overall experience. The waste disposal system is efficient, and the litter replacement process is straightforward, saving time and effort for busy pet owners. One of the standout features of this litter box is its low maintenance requirements. The combination of the auto-deodorizing technology and advanced sterilization reduces the frequency of manual cleanings. The removable waste tray is easy to clean, and the litter replacement process is straightforward. This not only saves time but also ensures that the litter box remains a consistently inviting and hygienic space for your cat. The extra-large auto-deodorizing cat litter box with advanced sterilization proves to be a revolutionary product for cat owners seeking a hassle-free and sanitary solution. The combination of size, auto-deodorizing technology, advanced sterilization, and user-friendly design makes it a standout choice in the market. Investing in this innovative litter box not only enhances the well-being of your cat but also contributes to a cleaner and more harmonious living environment. Say goodbye to litter box woes and embrace the convenience and efficiency of this exceptional product. Your cat will thank you, and so will your nose.